Hello everyone and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Monday, October the 19th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address right here. This is a link to the free room. Yes, it's free, 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. Room is open Mondays to Fridays between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I share my screen and I'm live on the mic. In the email you're getting, you will see a link to my home page, and the home page has a lot of good links in it. Subscription links with a promo code, also a link to the trade of the week, which I'm going to go over right now, right after I finish this. So the webinar links and other training links. So let's take a look at the trade of the week before I get to KXIN. The trade of the week this week is PBI, all right? It was live at 6:30, not the time, but the price. I'm actually in this one. I'm in at 6:34, okay? It popped down to $6 or $6.19, and then it came back up, and I've decided to take this one. I don't know how long I'm going to hold it. I mean, the trades of the week are designed for longer term holds. I'm not sure how long I'm going to hold it, but if you had last week's trade of the week, which was NIO, it was tremendous. I mean, I think the trigger was 22, and you can see what it did. I mean, this is the next day. This is Thursday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay, so it exploded, and a lot of the China autos, and I'm going to show you KXIN. A lot of the China autos exploded with the JP Morgan big upgrade of NIO with a $40 price target and basically being very bullish on the entire sector. So let's take a look though at KXIN. KXIN, here's the daily chart. So I had a big day on Friday, but I was a little skeptical because look what it did. It got up to 453 and sold all the way down to 2. So, it got chopped in half. But look at today. And I guess China came out with some good GDP numbers. And look what it did. It got all the way up to 1340. Check out my watch list. And we'll take a look at all of them and see how well my watch list did today. Let me just get this. Here we go. So the first one, ALDX, 849. Wasn't bad. Got up to 871 before it pulled back. OSUR, 1748. Got up to 1782 before it pulled back. But here's the king right there. 450. Got all the way up to 1344 before it now is starting to pull back. Lazy had another nice pop before it pulled back. 1828 right there, got up to 1889. This has been a star. LQDA 331, and it got up to so far up to 385. And I don't know if this one has moved yet. Not yet. But again, really good action from my watch list today on percentage basis, certainly on the KXIN. And if you want to follow along my watch list every day, from the toolbar, click on New and Channel Bar, and then Barry's watch list, okay? Now remember, everything in here is a layout. So before you do that, make sure you save your layout to the cloud. You can only have one layout loaded at a time. So if you load one of these, it'll replace your layout. No problem, as long as you've saved your layout to the cloud, so you can always bring it back when you want to. And that's about it, guys. I mean, it's just been a fantastic day. I mean, I don't want to say Mondays typically can be slow, but certainly we've had some just tremendous percentage moves, and the market has not helped. I mean, this is what the market has done. So these are classically your alpha stocks. Okay, there are some. Let me just bring back KXIN again. We had UXIN. So a lot of the China stocks are just, again, you have to be watching them all the time. But another one that absolutely popped. I'm watching Recon right now. Okay, another one. What else? I think I've got a couple more here. But it's just amazing. So it doesn't matter what the market's doing. These China stocks are just absolutely solid today. Again, I'm not talking about swinging them or anything like that. You're just sort of playing them for what they're doing on any given day. And most of them are low floats. I mean, Archon has a 5 million float. Now, it's funny, the KXIN, we have it as a 38 million float. Some have told me in the room that they, what they're saying is a 1 million float. Others are saying a 10 million float. Sometimes it's a little bit difficult to get a pure handle on the floats of some of these China stocks. But at any rate, just a tremendous, tremendous alert for my watch list today. So I want to get back into the room. I'm going to close down the chart, bring back the capture program. So if you have any questions for me, you can use this email address. Again, this is the link for the free room. I will open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock Eastern. I hope to see you there. Bye-bye.